Hello guys, this is Hafizullah Masoodi, your host, and today I want to show you guys how to add a template to the Laravel project. And this video is all about that. So okay guys, as you can see, I have searched for a template, and this is probably the second link that I searched in the Google. And I like, for example, I like this template, and I want to add it to our Laravel project. So for adding this, I will click on more info or download. That it will redirect us to another page there, which is a GitHub repository, and we can download this template from the GitHub. Okay, so in here, these are all files that are included in this template. And for downloading this template, we can either download it, open it in a desktop, or we can download a zip, which I would like to download it as a zip. So I'm gonna click on download a zip. It says downloading. We should wait a little bit. It will take a little bit of time, so I may pause the video, and we will probably I will play the video after the file is downloaded. Okay guys, as you can see, the file has been downloaded, and now we want to download the fresh Laravel project from laravel.com. And for downloading the Laravel project, we should go to documentation, click on documentation. Before and one thing more that I need to say is that before downloading the Laravel project, you need to download this composer, the composer, and you can download it by saying composer, by writing composer in your URL of the browser, and then click on this first link of composer. You can download composer from this site by clicking on download link here. And here is the composer setup exe for Windows, and you're gonna click on this link for downloading composer setup. It is very less size, so it will be downloaded very fast. Start download. Okay, it's downloading. The download is finishing. See guys, my download has finished. We have successfully downloaded composer, and I'm gonna open it. Click on next, and we should leave everything to its default. Next. And I'm not going to use a proxy server to connect to internet. Next. And after that, just click on install. In my case, it is already installed on my operating system, so I'm not going to install it again. I'm going to quit the composer setup. To download Laravel, first of all, you can choose any version you want to download it. And after that, which is for me, I would say that 5.5, and it is totally up to you which version you want. So I prefer 5.5, and here is everything that you all the requirements that you need to install this version. And for installing it, we can copy this command here and run it on CMD or command prompt, whatever you call it. To run this command, first we need to go to our Wamp folder in my case it is dot dot slash dot dot slash wamp 64, because I'm using 64-bit operating system, and then www folder, and that's all. And in here we are gonna paste that code that we just copied from the laravel.com, and now press enter. Because my internet connection is too slow, and I've already downloaded the project. So I'm not gonna download it again. I'm not gonna. It was just for you guys to show you how to install Laravel project. But okay guys, this is my Wamp server folder and www folder, and this is the blog that I have downloaded earlier, and I have always a fresh and I have kept it for using it in every projects. And it is something that you can also do after installing Laravel successfully through command prompt. You can zip it and save it in another folder for later use. So I am gonna extract it. First of all, one thing about Laravel projects is that if you want to run Laravel projects, we have to go in CMD and we have to go to our projects folder, and it is a block. This block. You have to run before you could be able to run it in your browser from the server. You should run composer, PHP artisan surf, which is a composer command, and I don't want to use this project like this. I want to run it through my Wamp server, that I'm gonna start now. And guys, if you want to serve it as a PHP artisan command, you don't have to start Wamp server, because it will throw a lot of problems or errors for you. If you want to run it on your Wamp local server or XAMPP local server, you don't need to run it through CMD. So I'm gonna close it. Okay guys, if we go to our blog folder or project, we can see it shows kind of weird. It shows only the folders and the documents that are available in the folder, and this is because we have run it through Wamp server, so we need to type public in here. And now you can see that we have access to our Laravel project. Now we first of all, before adding our template to the project, I want to get rid of this public in my UI. And for that and for getting rid of this public folder, what are we gonna do is go to our project, and you can see here is a public folder. We first of all we have to copy this .htaccess file. You can see everything code in here is written, and we're gonna click on copy and paste it to the root directory of our project like this. And after copying the htaccess file, we have to copy this index file, copy it and paste it in your root directory of the project. Now we should see we should get rid of this public in our URL and see if it works. It doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? It throws a PHP error because it says vendor autoload.php, and I think I know what is the problem. The problem is with this here, because we moved it to one directory back, so we gonna get rid of these dots in here and save the file. And now we should be able to load our file successfully, as you can see. The one problem that is with this method is that if we now go, as you can see in our project, there is an env file that in the future could contain some classified information about, for example, about the email or its password or database connection, etc. And the problem is that if we now type in the url.env and enter, as you can see, it shows all the code that we have in our env file. You can see here it shows the env file, which is a security issue, and we want to solve this problem. And for solving this problem, I have a bit of code that we are going to paste it in .htaccess file, and it says files.env order allow or deny from all, which is something obvious that we don't want to show that file to the public. And we are gonna save this file, and also we are gonna paste this code in our public folder and .htaccess file also, and save it. Now let's go to our browser and refresh and and you can see that you have you don't have permission to access blog.env on this server, which is what we want. So now let's go to our blog folder. As you can see, this is our Laravel homepage, and this is located. Now first of all, let's close these all files and collapse the folders, and the welcome page is located. And guys, first of all, I want to show you that I want to tell you that Laravel is an MVC framework, which means that model, view and controller. And I should start showing you from model to the controller. Our models are located in app folder and in the bottom of the app folder. After you open it, you can see that we only have one model, which is user model, and you can see it has a bit of code in it. I'm gonna close it. User model, and our controllers are located in HTTP and in app folder in HTTP and controllers. That we only have auth controllers and controller.php, which is the default controller in the project. And as you know, you can change it however you want. You can create your own folders in here for model or controller, or however you want it, and declare routes for it to be accessed. And the other thing is that our views. Let's collapse these all folders. Our views are located in resource folder under views folder, and as you can see, we have this welcome.plate.php, and if we open it, as you can see, it is the plain HTML codes and CSS that comes in here, and it is the same page that we see in our browser in here. Let me show you. If we get rid of these all links, select it and get rid of these all links and save it, Control S, and let's go to our browser, and if I refresh, these links should be gone, as you can see. Okay guys, now we want to add this template to our Laravel project, and for this we have to extract it first. Let's extract it. I'm gonna extract it in the same directory, and after extraction, as you see, if we go to the folder it has an index.html file, and if we open it, it goes to it shows everything in the browser. This is the template that we have downloaded. As you can see, we can work through and watch everything that is within this template. For example, I want to add this template in our Laravel. I want to add this template in our Laravel project, and for this, first we have to go to our and for this we have to go to our templates folder, and let's open it into code editor. These are all the files in the template folder, and we want to add this version 2 dashboard, which is we can see here index2.html. and if we go to our code admin lt master, this is the page that we want to include in our welcome.blade. These are all the codes that that are included in this template. So what I'm gonna do is Control A and copy all, and copy everything. And now we can go to our public folder. For now, I'm gonna Control A and make these comments by clicking on Control /, and we are gonna paste our copied code in the top. I paste it, and as you can see, everything is pasted, and I'm gonna save it. And now if we go to our Laravel project and click on refresh, we get everything broken. That's why, as you know, because there are some links that we should manage. First of all, this font awesome link, the scroll bar link, everything is linked here. And also we have to manage these script links also. So for this reason, we can go to our we can see that which folders we need to copy from the template. First of all, plugins folder and dist folder. And for scripts, plugins, as you can see, and dist, and plugins and dist. So we don't need other folders to copy. We just need plugins and dist folder to copy. I'm gonna go to admin lt master, and as you can see, this is the dist folder that we want to copy, and this is the plugins folder that we want to copy in our project. I'm gonna click on copy, and let's go to our project. It is located in Wamp 64 ww and block. And where are we gonna copy these two folders? In our public folder. As you can see, our CSS and JS is also located here. I'm gonna click on paste, and let's paste the folders here. As you can see, we have now pasted the folder successfully in our public directory. Now we can go to our Laravel project and go to the top, and as you can see, this kind of not links to the, we have to tell it to go to the public folder and plugins folder and font awesome free. Write this, I'm gonna copy it and write it in every link that we have. We have finished here. Now let's go to the bottom of the project, and we have to paste it also in our script. As you can see, I have pasted public in every link and script of this page, and I'm now gonna control save it. And now let's go to our page and refresh it. Let's see if it worked. As you can see, it worked great. It loaded everything that we have in this template, except the as you can see, the images that are included in the template. And I think that's up to you if you can create it dynamically with. And the main target of this video was to show you how to add a template to your Laravel project, and you can add everything from this template. As you can see, all the pages are located in here. You can see you can see anything in here. For example, you can see the charts, or you can see the forms, or you can see the layout, mailbox, everything, and you can just copy and the code to your Laravel project, and you can fix the links, etc. And there you go, you can use the template within your Laravel project. Thanks for watching this video, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more videos from me, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the like button on video. It will motivate me to make more videos, and you can also leave comments comments on this video, and I'll probably reach you guys in no time. Thanks for watching video again, and have a nice day.